So for this problem, we have phone calls that are arriving into a phone bank, and they arrive according to a Poisson distribution with parameter 3. Find the probability that in the next 2 minutes at least 3 calls arrive. Okay, so the number of calls per minute follows a Poisson distribution with parameter 3. So for the next 2 minutes, the number of calls will have Poisson distribution with parameter 6. Because I'm looking at something that's 2 minutes long as opposed to just simply 1 minute long. So the question is, what's the probability that x is greater than or equal to 3? Now there's a couple ways of doing this. Hypothetically, we could find the chance of 3 calls plus 4 calls plus 5 calls plus 6 calls and so on, and it'd be a big sum and it'd be a big mess. What's a whole lot easier would be, for this example, to take the probability that x is less than or equal to 2. So sometimes it's easier to flip the probability. This is an example where it's easier to flip. Sometimes it's not so easy. But anyway, let's take this. So that's the chance that x is either equal to 0 or is equal to 1 or is equal to 2. Okay, now according to the formula for a Poisson distribution, I've got parameter 6, and so the chance of 0 arrivals will be e to the minus 6 times 6 to the 0 over 0 factorial. Plus, then the next one would be e to the minus 6 times 6 to the first over 1 factorial. And last would be e to the minus 6 times 6 to the second over 2 factorial. And so rather than adding up infinitely many terms from 3 to infinity, we're just taking 1 minus the sum of 3 terms. Okay, so we now simplify this. We get, this is 1, that's 6, that's 36 divided by 2 makes 18, so 18, 6, and 1 make 25. So this is 1 minus 25 times e to the minus 6. And then plugging into a calculator, we get 0.9380. And so the chance of at least 3 calls is 93.8%.